Building rapport in negotiation, establishing trust. Title: Building rapport in negotiation, establishing trust. Introduction. In the fast-paced and competitive world of negotiations, establishing trust with the opposing party is crucial for a successful outcome. The ability to build rapport not only lays the foundation for open communication but also enables the parties involved to work collaboratively towards a mutually beneficial resolution. This article aims to shed light on various strategies and techniques that can be employed to cultivate trust in negotiation scenarios. Understanding the importance of trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any healthy relationship, and negotiations are no exception. It is therefore paramount to invest time and effort into building rapport that effectively establishes trust. 1. Active listening. Active listening is a fundamental skill that enables negotiators to understand the interests and concerns of the other party. By devoting full attention to the speaker, maintaining eye contact, and displaying genuine interest in their perspective, negotiators can foster a sense of trust. Active listening also ensures that all parties feel they are being heard, thus deepening their level of engagement and commitment to a resolution. 2. Building rapport through empathy. Empathy plays a vital role in establishing trust. By attempting to understand the emotions and needs of the other party, negotiators can create an atmosphere of empathy. This requires stepping into the shoes of the counterparty and genuinely acknowledging their concerns, fears, and aspirations. Demonstrating empathy not only fosters trust but also paves the way for creative solutions that address the underlying interests of both parties. 3. Transparency and openness. Transparency and openness are key elements in building trust during negotiations. Sharing information openly and honestly, while respecting any confidentiality constraints, builds credibility and demonstrates good faith. Parties who perceive that the other side is being transparent are more likely to reciprocate with the same level of openness, thus deepening trust. 4. Consistency and reliability. Consistency and reliability are vital traits that instill trust in negotiation settings. By consistently honoring commitments, meeting deadlines, and delivering on promises, parties can earn the trust of their counterparts. Demonstrating a reliable and trustworthy character not only fosters goodwill but also encourages future collaboration and mutual gains. 5. Building rapport outside the negotiation room. Effective negotiators understand the value of building rapport outside the formal negotiation setting. Engaging in informal conversations and social interactions provides an opportunity to establish a more personal connection. 6. Managing emotional dynamics. Negotiations often involve high-stakes and emotionally charged situations. Skillful negotiators can navigate these dynamics by managing their own emotions and responding empathetically to the emotions of the other party. By remaining calm, composed, and understanding, negotiators can build trust, diffuse tensions, and promote constructive dialogue that leads to better outcomes. 7. Conflict management. Conflicts are almost inevitable in negotiations, but how they are managed significantly impacts the level of trust between parties. Skilled negotiators approach conflicts as opportunities for problem solving rather than roadblocks. By collaborating to find win-win solutions and treating conflicts as separate from personal attacks, trust can be preserved and even strengthened. In addition to the aforementioned strategies, it is also important for negotiators to remain patient and resilient throughout the process. Negotiations can be complex and time-consuming, requiring perseverance in order to overcome challenges and reach a satisfactory resolution. By maintaining a positive and proactive attitude, negotiators can demonstrate their commitment to finding a mutually beneficial outcome and further build trust with the opposing party. Another effective strategy for building rapport and trust is to focus on shared interests and common goals. By identifying areas of alignment, negotiators can emphasize the potential for collaboration and cooperation. This approach not only enhances understanding between the parties but also increases the likelihood of finding creative solutions that address the needs and desires of both sides. Furthermore, it is essential for negotiators to be mindful of their own body language and nonverbal cues. Open and friendly gestures, such as maintaining an open posture, offering a genuine smile, and using appropriate eye contact, can contribute to the creation of a welcoming and trustworthy atmosphere. Conversely, defensive or closed-off body language may hinder the establishment of rapport and trust. In addition to individual efforts, organizations can play a significant role in fostering trust during negotiations. By promoting a culture of transparency, fairness, and respect, organizations can create an environment that encourages trust-building behaviors. Training programs and resources on effective negotiation techniques can also help negotiators develop the necessary skills to establish and maintain trust throughout the process. Ultimately, the establishment of trust in negotiations is a continuous and ongoing process. It requires ongoing communication, understanding, and a willingness to adapt and address concerns as they rise. References 1. Lewitsky, R. J. Berry, B. and Saunders, D. M. 2019. Essentials of Negotiation. McGraw-Hill Education. 2. Pruitt, D. G. and Carnival, P. J. eds. 1993. Negotiation in Theory and Practice. Psychology Press. 3. Nays, M. 2003. Trust Building. Retrieved from https://www.beyondintractability.org/essay/trustbuilding. 4. Fisher, R. Uri, W. and Patton, B. 2011. Getting to Yes, Negotiating Agreement Without Giving In. Penguin Books. 5. Shell, G. R.